This is a demonstration of the ZIPMUNK IoT Development Kit. The kit comes with a DC motor, an LED puck, and an onboard microphone. The LED puck is connected to the appropriate positive and ground terminals. The buck converter circuitry allows it to be driven with a PWM from the MCU. Current monitoring and advanced tuning techniques can be achieved as well. The DC motor is connected to two of the half bridges to create an H-bridge configuration. This allows the two ends of the motor, in this case connected to U and W terminals on the board, to be driven to power or ground as needed, achieving forward and reverse motion. The onboard digital MEMS microphone is already wired to operate with the onboard vocoder, and the volume level in this case is used for the PWM level. Using a jumper wire, the onboard potentiometer is connected to an ADC in order to read its value, and used as a position, in this case, used to drive the LED brightness and motor directions. The kit is pre-programmed with demo software that allows you to test the different devices. To move to the different states to test them, press the onboard button, and now you can see it's gone to the first state, which lets you test the LED puck. In this state, you can adjust the brightness of the LED puck by using the onboard potentiometer. Turning it one way dims the light, turning it the other way increases the brightness. Pressing the button again moves it to the next state, which allows you to test the DC motor. Again, using the potentiometer, turning it one way puts the motor in reverse. Putting it in the center turns off the motor, and turning it the other way puts the motor in forward. Back in the middle to turn it off. Pressing this button again moves me to the last state, and as you can see here, the digital microphone now registers my voice, and as I speak louder, the LED will turn brighter, and as I whisper, it will turn dimmer. And so it's registering the volume level through the microphone. Pressing the button again turns me to a no operation state and allowing you to go ahead and cycle through the different states in order to test the kit.